Today we are going to discuss understanding financial behavior, okay? Because understanding financial behavior is crucial for stock market investing, and it can also be maybe a bit applied to self-improvement because, as you know, this YouTube channel is a bit of a mixture between self-improvement and stock market. You know, I'm trying to combine the best out of both worlds and teach you as much as I can. Now yeah, but let's go back to the topic, bro. Many people will believe that stock market investing is all about numbers, all about charts, all about those complex calculations in the background, okay? And you are also maybe believing that right now because when you were younger you wanted to invest on the stock market and you just didn't understand it quite well, and then you were asking other people to maybe explain you a bit, probably your parents, you know, and they also didn't quite understand it because for them at that time it was something completely new, you know, and you were falsely brainwashed by this official education, by those educational institutions who were telling you that in order to achieve success on the stock market you need to have a lot of education, you need to have countless courses, countless certificates, you need to spend many hours per day, you know, just reading and educating yourself. And I will tell you, bro, most of that bullshit is not true, because the crucial aspect of investing is that you understand the psychology behind the money. You need to understand the psychology of human behavior when it comes to dealing with finances, okay? And I'm telling you, bro, right now my portfolio on the stock market is not €1,000,000. We are on the way to that, but it's around 27,000 euros. Not bad, you know, for a beginner. It's fine, you know. And I'm telling you, bro, I've built that portfolio without any education, without any formal investment education whatsoever. I was just doing it, investing and learning by doing, you know. Okay, I lost a couple of thousands, but still, right now I'm making much more, you know, right now I'm getting all that money back, you know, so it pays off, bro. And I'm telling you, bro, financial success is more about how you behave and less about how educated and how smart you are about that topic, okay? And the first topic that I want to discuss with you, bro, is that you need to find one way to make money and then just stick to it, okay? Because right now in this modern, severely connected world, you know, there are so many different ways to make money. Okay, stock market investing, then e-commerce, then maybe making your own agency, then Amazon FBA, copywriting, crypto, all of that shit, you know. You need to find one way to make money and then just focus on it unconditionally, okay? And of course, people will try to demotivate you, people will try to discourage you, you know, and the best way to deal with that is, you can check here on those videos, but to make a summarize, bro, people will always discourage you or demotivate you because of two reasons. Jealousy is the first reason why people will demotivate you, and the second reason is because they genuinely don't understand what you are doing, you know. You try to go to your grandfather, for example, and tell him, yeah, you know, I want to start with Amazon FBA. He will look at you and he will be like, what drug did you take, you know? Even with the drugs, Evo, you come to him and you tell him, I want to try lean. Lean? What's lean? And then you try to explain, yeah, you put Sprite and a bit of cough syrup and all that shit, you know? And he will look at you and he will be like, what is this dude saying, you know? What is this kid talking, you know? What's this babbling all about, you know? You know what I'm saying? Like, people will also demotivate you or discourage you, not intentionally, but because they genuinely don't understand what's happening on the financial market, what's happening nowadays in terms of the money. They don't understand any of that, okay? And that's why also parents are quite annoying, you know. Take a look at this video, bro, if you're more interested. Another thing, bro, that we need to discuss in terms of understanding financial behavior is to do the hard work, okay? Now that you found your way to make money, let's say stock market, okay? You want to make money with the stock market, that's an excellent decision because stock market is one of the most safest and most lucrative ways of making money, okay? People will now tell you, okay, you have made a couple of thousands, let's say you have 20,000 euros investment, okay? people will tell you, yeah, you have all that money because you were lucky. They will immediately start to connect success with luck. They will not see any hard work behind that. You know what I'm saying? Because they will be like, oh yeah, last year you were broke and this year you have 20,000. Oh, what a luck, you know? But they will not see how many sleepless nights you had because you were trying to, first of all, encourage yourself. Second of all, educate yourself, because that useless university didn't teach you anything about the stock market. So you had to do all the hard work by yourself. Third thing, those professors on the uni are broke anyway, so they wouldn't be able to teach you something about investments, because otherwise they would be millionaires as well, right? And right now we are probably thinking, yeah, but my father is also a teacher and he is an amazing one. Okay, if he can back that up, if he can prove me that he has money and he teaches economics, then I will say, okay, I would learn from this guy. For example, my friend, he has an amazing father, bro. His father is also a professor of economics and he knows how to deal with money because he can show that, he can prove that. I was at his home, you know, I went to visit them, and he has a nice car, nice house, nice feminine woman, you know. He's lecturing on various universities around the world, not even in Europe, around the world, you know. He's trying to hustle, find ways, you know, because he knows the deal, you know. He is the man, you know. He gets the job done in terms of the finances and teaching that, you know what I'm saying? That's why I would believe him. Whatever he says, I would believe. But whatever my professors on my sorry ass university, whatever they say, I would be like, show me the money first and then I will believe you. You know what I mean? Like, it's bullshit, you know. So people basically don't recognize all the hard work that you invested into it, okay? And they will also tell you then later, yeah, I could also do it if I would have some lame ass excuse, okay? This is the typical thing that I was telling to myself to make me feel better, okay? And you are probably also doing the same thing, okay? You are seeing my channel and you are saying, wow, Yasha, man, he has quite okay number of subscribers, he's trying to hustle, he's seeing slow success in terms of the YouTube, in terms of the stock market. I could have that as well if I would have time. And of course you don't have time, bro, because you are playing video games, you are wasting time on social media, you don't go to the gym, so you are fat and you are eating all that unhealthy food, so you always need to rest for 1 hour after lunch because that food is so heavy that you need to digest it. You know what I'm saying? You always have some lame ass excuse why you cannot do it. If it's not video games and your lack of time because of them, then it's university, then there are exams, and always is some lame ass excuse, man, why you cannot do that. And people tend to do that a lot, including me, man. I was saying, when I was younger, I was constantly saying, yeah, I want to get rich with dropshipping, and then when I actually started it for maybe 1 day or something, I remember that back in 2022, I started it and I was like, yeah, nah, this will not work. After 1 week I did nothing, bro, nothing, and I was saying, yeah, just so those lame ass excuses, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's bad, bro. If you are watching this video, that means you have at least one shelter, you have telephone, and you have internet connection. What else do you need to make money in today's world? You need to have a device and you need to have an internet connection. And you already have 2 of those things. And the shelter, of course, is the 3rd one that you have. So, bro, use those tools to make money. Use your device, use your internet to make money online, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, you are actually really lucky. Those loser people, they are actually true. When, like, they have right, you know, they are right because they're telling you are lucky. You are, because you have much more things than some poor African kid in the middle of the Sahara who doesn't even know what is, I don't know, what is Lamborghini, you know, let alone what is stock market, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, we are really lucky. So what we need to do, bro, is just focus on our hustle, focus on the hard work, stay consistent, and just push it forward, you know, because the markets, for example, will always correct themselves. After all the shit that happens on the stock market, they will always go up. The same thing is with success, bro. No matter what happens, we will always push forward and we will always be rewarded for that. So bro, you know what to do now. Click subscribe, join me on my journey with self-improvement and stock market investing. I'm a fairly small YouTuber, hopefully you learn something new from me. Thank you bro, do the hard work and see you on top of the world.